All right, welcome to part 6 on ebook publishing. I just have to log into this account. Remember this account? We use it in part 5, no, part 4 to demonstrate how we can publish. Okay, so you can see the book is live now, so you can view on Amazon. Like I said this before, you can edit. Okay, do whatever you want to do. You can unlink the book. You can publish the book. Okay, so our emphasis for today is how we can create paperback. Okay, the hard copy. Please note it is free. The only challenge we have is bringing them back to Nigeria. Okay, because of the increase in exchange rate. You click on start, create paperback. Okay, I started. That's how you see to transfer. So I'm going to log out. I'm going to sign out of this account. So I'm using this account for the sake so I can understand this properly. Okay, now this you click on create paperback is it will come up like this. Okay, let's use this one. It's going to take you to this first field, just like the Kindle ebook. So you don't need to panic. Is go to so when you click on it, it will take you to this page. So they already have your information. So you just have to do is to click save and continue. Okay, I've done this before. So if they're going to give you ISBN number, okay, you just click assign me a free ISBN number. So this is going to come up. If you have your own, okay, you can just impute your own. A lot of persons do come to this place, just create the platform, extract the ISBN number, and use it to print their book over here. It belongs to you, okay. Okay, we're going to be we'll look into this because this will determine how our book is going to come out. If we miss any of this step, they will not approve our book. So depending on what you're looking for, you want black interior with cream paper, you want black and white interior with white paper, you want color interior with white paper. Then your size, okay? Size. So depending on the size of book you're looking for, 5 by 8, 5.25, 5.5, and so forth. Just click select. Okay. Then you want bleed, you want it to bleed. Okay. Just click on any of them. You can go ahead to upload your paperback manuscript. Please, before you upload your manuscript, I recommend, although these are the format that they do accept, DOS, HTML, RTF, okay? But now I recommend we download this. Just click on it. If you have issue with it, let me know. I can also send a template to you. Okay, you need to choose a template. Your book come out smoothly. Okay, So if you're using I do use this a lot. The template, all you just have to do, delete what you have, the copy your work and paste. Okay, then go to, if you know how to use a Microsoft Word, just go and add these numbers to the width, to the height, and save your document. You're good to go. And just your image. Okay. The minute you're done with this part, okay, of your manuscript, then you counted the page. That is what you are going to send to your graphic designer. That will determine whether your book cover will come out well or not. Okay. You can also come here to download the KDP template so that you can send to your book to your graphic designer. Okay. Let's assume your okay, our trim. What size are we using? We're using 5 by 8. Okay, 5 by 8. Let's assume your manuscript. Let's not forget this. After everything, the page is 100 or 120. So you have to come to this place. Okay, type 120. Down the paper color. Go back and check which type I choose. Okay, take my time to show us this because it is crucial. If you miss any of this step, you're going to give stress. You're going to give it stress. So in order for us not to stress your graphic designer, let's help them so that they also make our work easier for us. So just click is writing and download. Okay, download the PDF or whatever. Then you send to your graphic designer. That is what he will use to create your book cover design. Your book cover design is paperback design is different for Kido. Kido is just only the front cover, okay? Okay, maybe a biology book, any other book, you notice the topic about the author or about the book, then your picture or photo. So, all right, when you're done with that, so you come back, upload your manuscript, okay? Then you come back, upload your paper, your cover file. If you have delay now, you want to do it yourself, just like Kindle cover creator, paperback also have their it's up now. So about me will be there. So that is it. Your image is going to also be there. Hold on, let's just do on that thing, okay? So, all right, let's use this. Please note, okay? It's not a JPEG unlike Kido. Kido ebook is a JPEG, but paperback or hardback cover, okay, is always in PDF format. PDF format. You can see that the launch pivot button as pop up. Okay, let's now wait. Let's click on preview. Sometimes it's advisable we should wait. As the internet is slow, so we should be waiting. So you're going to be seeing this, checking your cover, saving, blah blah blah. All right, it has come up. This is a preview, so you can download as PDF proof. Okay, I can say this is not going to be approved. You may see one thing you should note. Immediately this approve button pop up, it means that everything is fine. There is no error. You can see this one now is error. The book cover has error already. It's a no. Okay, the interiors are okay. See, it's not fine. It's not fine. It will tell you different pages, okay? The area that you have, the pages that you have error. 9, 13, blah blah blah. Say you have to go back to go and fix it. Immediately there is this error free, this approve button is going to pop up. So it has error. Let's go return back to go and fix it. Click preview, exit print previewer, and will take us back to this page. Okay. If it is error free, when you click on approve, you just come here, click save and continue. So it's going to take you to that page, just like Kindle. When we publish it for Kindle, you put your price, okay, and you're good to go. You click on publish. But on paperback take a longer time than Kindle. And it normally take within 24 hours. Okay, they are going to tell you your book is ready. If you also have issue, they are going to let you know how you fix it.